Hi class, this week starts week 3 of our financial management class. It's the time value of money and bonds. Time value of money is a very strong concept that I think will benefit you and your analytical skills. Essentially, time value of money basically is the knowledge of present value and future value. So I recommend that you pay close attention to this because the time value of money is going to be used in the chapters going forward. And so essentially, time value of money is discounting future cash flows into today's dollars based on a discount rate, or projecting future cash flows with today's dollars compounding at a future rate. So it has to do with discounting and future. Discounting is present value, compounding is future value. So I certainly would recommend reading our financial management chapter on the time value of money and bond valuation. And the time value of money will basically cover again, the present value, future value, and how to value fixed income assets such as bonds. And I do have a video which I will put in the discussion this week. So read the chapter on time value money and get familiar with the concepts. And then time value of money has a presentation which is an excellent PowerPoint that describes how to calculate present value. You can do it also by Excel. Just so you know, you are aware. You can see I'm using it here. Under Financial on Excel, you have fair value, a rate. Let's say you want to know that you want to invest $1,000 today at a rate of 5%, and it's over 5 years. And basically what you are going to get at the end of 5 years at a compounded rate of 5%, of 5% over 5 years, you're going to get $1,276. Let's say you were to get present value of $1,000, you would invest $1,000 a day, and you were going to get basically $30 a year as interest compounded as a payment. That's a future value of an annuity. You're getting payments every year. on top of, after year 5, you'll get your $1,000 back as a future value. That's worth $1,442. Also, there's a present value function, which you can learn to do. In here is also a rate function. You're going to learn about yield to maturity on bonds. Figuring out what the yield is. In other words, what the interest rate is. You'll know what the payments are, the present value, the future value, what's the yield. So you can use this rate formula. So Excel is also a handy tool, as well as the tables in the present value and future value tables should help you. Also in week 3, there's a bond value presentation, and in week 3 we have a discussion talking about the time value money with the risk of bonds. We talk about the movie The Big Short. Some of you mentioned it in your discussions that you've watched that movie. And so we have a discussion, as well as a quiz, and then project 1 is due on the financial analysis of your choice of firm that you use to do your ratio analysis. So week 3 is the time value money and bond valuation, and you're going to be using present value, future value quite often. Just looking ahead in week 4, you will also be using some time value concepts as well. And so let's, congratulations on completing weeks 1 and 2. And hopefully I can present some good videos to help you figure out bond valuation using these Excel spreadsheets that I just put up. Thank you for watching.